Hey, coders and curious minds. Are you ready to dive into one of the most exciting programming languages of our time? Today, I'm giving you 10 solid reasons why learning C# in 2025 is a no-brainer. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, stick around, because reason number 1 will blow your mind. C# comes with Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, two of the best IDEs in the game. Features like IntelliSense, live debugging, and robust libraries make your coding life so much easier. It's like having a personal assistant who finishes your code for you. And never complains. C# is the backbone of Unity, the world's most popular game engine. Whether you're building a 2D platformer or the next big MMORPG, C# is your ultimate weapon. And guess what? 2025 is shaping up to be another massive year for indie and AAA games alike. NET MAUI, you can write C# code once and deploy it to iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS. One codebase to rule them all. No need to master multiple programming languages. With C#, you have access to powerful frameworks like ML, NET and libraries for working with AI. Whether you're teaching machines to recognize faces or automate tasks, C# has you covered. Plus, in 2025, AI will be everywhere, so you might as well be at the forefront. Thanks to ASP.NET Core, C# empowers you to create blazing fast, modern web apps. And, it's open source. Web dev in C# means security, scalability, and speed. Sounds like a win-win-win to me. Big companies love C#. From financial systems to healthcare apps, C# powers critical infrastructure. And here's the kicker, learning C# in 2025 means you'll be in high demand by companies offering lucrative salaries, money bag. C# strikes the perfect balance. It's easy to learn if you're new to programming but powerful enough for seasoned developers. Think of it as your first bike. But with turbo boosters. Want to work with databases? There's Entity Framework. Need to make APIs? Check out gRPC or ASP.NET. Whatever you're building, C# likely has a library to help you do it faster. Learning C# means joining a massive global community of developers who are always ready to help. Got a question? Post it on Stack Overflow or Reddit, and watch the answers roll in. C# devs stick together. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. C# isn't just surviving, it's thriving. With Microsoft's constant investment in NET and its expanding ecosystem, this language will dominate the next decade. Learning C# in 2025 is like buying a ticket on the tech rocket ship to success. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into C# and start building games, apps, web platforms, AI solutions, and so much more. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding inspiration. Until next time, happy coding.